All right. Number one, the lesson number one that you turned in, that went well. Number two here, though, a very important thing is not being remembered, and that is the ghost strumming. So I want you to go back and re-watch the recap from last week, okay? So you can hear and see things at some different speeds. The ghost strumming is important for you right now because you're not playing this rhythmically accurate. You're basically turning this into like a sextuplet thing where you have like the beat divided up into 6 parts and you're playing on the first and sixth part of that beat. So it's like going, if you think about it like a swing feel, like a, so back to the swing issue that we've had to work on before. Let me show you. Whoops, I hit the wrong button here. So if I'm doing a swing, like a sextuplet swing, we'd have like a, that sound right there. So if I'm doing this, that's the rhythm that you're currently doing, but just taking out all those strums in between. So you're doing like, which is not what we want. So the reason why I gave you number one last week was to establish the rhythm first, and then you take out those two strums. Da 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 dum, da 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 dum. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. Now it's fine to not do the ghost strums on the quarter note part, but you absolutely need to do the ghost strums for the rest of it. Because right now, when you're just waiting for that click to come in, it screws up the rhythm, and it's not correct. So you have to keep the ghost drums in, okay? So yes, please go back, rewatch the recap from last week, and we're just going to focus on getting this one done. And if you finished any of the finished any of the theory stuff where you had to fill in the rest of those arpeggios, send that over, and let's check that out. All right, any questions? Let me know. Ghost strum, ghost strum, ghost strum. We got to do it. We got to do it. And when you reach a speed you can no longer do it, don't go any faster. They have to stay. They have to. All right, we'll see you again next week.